Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm gonna give you valuable informations about new strong fundamentals project. I do not invest in weak projects, okay? So I'm gonna talk about the project I invest in it. I'm not gonna talk bullshit and like just to make videos, okay? As you can see here, the perpetual protocol I was talking about when it was $10, now it's over $16, okay? And it's strong fundamentals project. It's gonna go to 30 something dollars in my opinion. Casper Labs, the same thing. I invested in a lot of money, and I do believe it's a new blockchain, the new kind of Ethereum blockchain. Okay, the Ethereum 2.0. So please check this video before continue with dollar cost average on Casper Labs coin, because you have to believe in the project you invest, not just hearing from other people like me. So please watch this video about Casper that I've made 4 days ago. And today's, guys, I'm gonna continue my videos with how to do the dollar cost average on Casper Labs. Right now, let's see what is Casper, what are Casper numbers. Okay, let's refresh this page and see what's going on. We have this price, $0.1356. The market cap is 162 millions of dollars. Okay, and the market, the same thing here. The trading volume, 118 millions of dollars in the last 24 hours. So with a strong fundamentals project, you have to get like very good trading volume. Okay, circulation supply, it's 1.2 billions of Casper in the market. Total supply, 10.2 billions of Casper. It can go higher after this. Okay, and you can find the project right here. See all markets where you can find the project. You cannot find on Binance, you cannot find on crypto.com, you cannot find on CoinList, you cannot find on Coinbase. The only exchanges you can find, it's 25 exchanges. I mean, not 25 exchanges because there are double. I mean, it's the pair, it's different. So you have Huobi, Gate.io, OKX, ZB.com, CoinList Pro, ZB.com again, CoinList Pro, Ascendex, Bitmax. I do recommend this one. This is the way I'm buying Casper. BKX, Max, C, Bitmart, Ascendex. It's the Bitmax. If you remember Bitmax, it's an old in crypto space and it's an exchange. So I'm using this one. If you want to use my link, referral link into the description, you're gonna save 10% of every transaction. So you're gonna save a lot of fees. And I'm gonna put the link into the description, and let's get into this pair. Okay, and buy with dollar cost average. Let me refresh it. As you can see here, the price is 0.1363. I already put an order at 0.1355, but let me cancel this. And let me use. So we started with $288 divided by 30 days. Every day I have to buy with 9.6. Yesterday I bought with 11 and something. So today I'm gonna buy with some like $8 or something like this. Let me say $8, $8.3, because yesterday I bought with $11.25 or something like that. So the price is right here, 1.363, 0.1363. The market price is right here. Okay, you can choose it lower and wait it for the price to go down, or you can put the market price. I'm gonna put the market price. Let's see how long it takes to fill this order. Oh, it's already instant. That's it. Okay. No, just talking about it and that's it. Okay, this way we have, let's see, cash account, not cash account, yes. Yesterday we have 151 Casper coins worth of $20. Still have $268 of USDT. Okay, that's it, guys. I did a dollar cost average. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy again. The day after tomorrow again I'll buy, and this is the dollar cost average, guys. It's nothing special. You're not gonna buy on top. You make sure you're not gonna buy on top, because the most important thing to do is to price to lower down your price into the market, you know, because if you get in top, okay, there's nothing wrong with it, you know, but you have to buy again more money when it goes down, okay, to drop your average cost. That's why I'm doing dollar cost average. The first time when I bought the coin was, let me show you, was about 0.07. Then the same day I bought with the same amount of money, 0.08, then 0.09, then drop down, and I get in the Casper Labs again at 0.0666 the price, and from that point it never went down, only up, as you can see here. And I'm very happy with my dollar cost average. It's about 0.07, something like that. And of course I'm staking them. I'm looking for having over 100,000 of Casper coins, because I do believe in this project. It's an early stage. As you can see here, the market cap, it's 162 millions of dollars, and the top project have kind of multiple billions of market cap. As you can see here, the Cardano has 59 billions, the XRP has 47, okay, the Dogecoin. So that's why, guys, it's very important to get in the early stage in these strong projects. Where is Cardano? Here, it was a very strong project, Cardano. Okay, it still was is a strong project, but it's kind of a late. 59, almost 60 billions of dollars into the market cap, so it's kind of a late for me. Of course, if you want to play safe, you can buy it, but I do believe in Casper for long term. Do not forget to watch my video, guys. Also, thank you for watching until here. Please subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. Start making money. Do not save your money, invest your money. And also dislike, it's helping me a lot. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, I had a question, if you can buy with your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. No, you cannot buy with these kind of wallets. You have to do to direct exchanges. These are centralized exchanges, okay? You cannot find on decentralized exchanges, only centralized exchanges. Of course, you can buy from here and then move to your Casper sign wallet. So let me know if you want me to make another video about it. And Also, I'm gonna make a video how to stake your Casper coins. Here, as you can see here, I'm earning about 1.6. I start earning 1.4 Casper every 2 hours, and now, as you can see here, total rewards in, I don't know, let's say 8 days, 7 days, I start making this amount of coins, total receive rewards. Okay, and yes guys, see you in another video. Thank you, bye bye.